They say time is money, and few industries know that more than healthcare. Take the post-operation process, for example. Often a dozen or more people will bear partial responsibility in the successful and safe release of patients. Doctors, nurses, billing coordinators, transportation, prescriptions. Lots of people means lots of time. To expedite the process, we must expedite communication, while still preserving the necessary audit trail, ensuring HIPAA compliance, that everyone leaving the hospital or clinic is ready to do so, and that they will have everything they need to recover quickly. My name is Erin Wilson, a Director of Solutions Consulting at Five9, and today we'll explore how a healthcare organization can leverage the Intelligent Cloud Contact Center platform and workflow automation to save time, improve patient outcomes, and see more patients. But first, meet Greg. While working on his honey-do list, Greg fell off the roof. He's mostly fine. The only thing that hurts worse than his fractured finger is the sound of his wife reminding him that she told him to wear a tether and he didn't listen. But I trust that a surgeon placing a screw in his pinky will drive that lesson home. The surgery went well, and Greg is ready to go home. When the nurse changes Greg's status to ready for discharge, a workflow is initiated inside of Five9 that activates a phone tree. Calls go out to each member of Greg's medical team who is asked for verbal, voice-print authenticated confirmation that Greg is good to go home. Texts are sent to the floor nursing staff instructing them to deliver discharge instructions. Once they complete the tasks, they reply and the information automatically flows into relevant systems for auditing purposes. Even Greg's wife is notified that he'll be ready for pickup in 15 minutes. She gets a link to driving instructions and directions that lead her directly to the pickup area. As his authorized medical contact, Greg's wife has also emailed discharge information and where to pick up Greg's prescriptions, just in case Greg loses his copy. Once all the confirmations are complete, Five9 updates the relevant systems like billing and EMR and notifies the orderly that Greg's ready to go. Thanks to all this automatic coordination, this hospital shaved an hour off the discharge process and was able to serve more patients in a single day. The next day, Greg receives a follow-up text message to check on his status and to schedule a follow-up appointment with the doctor. He replies and schedules the appointment without speaking to an agent. The hospital gives Greg the option to arrange for medical transportation to his appointment. This saves his wife from having to take another day off work, so Greg opts in. He's texted a link where he is walked through a visual IVR that collects his information and relays it to the transportation company. Alternatively, Greg could have used the hospital's intelligent virtual agent to schedule his ride, but he's more of a clicker than a talker. Greg receives a reminder call the day before, and a text when the van is 15 minutes away. He's amazed by the level of proactive communication available to him and takes comfort knowing that should any of this automation not work for him, he can always call the number and speak to a live agent. So, today we've seen how a healthcare provider delivered Greg exceptional patient care while creating better efficiency with automation, improving communication in and outside of the hospital, streamlining scheduling of appointments, offering enhanced services like transportation, and increasing the number of patients that they can service in a single day. Five9 knows healthcare automation. Our team of experts help healthcare providers revolutionize the way they service patients in a HIPAA-compliant way every day. Are you ready to bring some automation into your workflows? To learn more about what Five9 can do for your practice, check out the link below or contact your sales rep. Thanks for listening and have a wonderful day.